Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a review on the best-selling and Amazon's Choice iPad keyboard case that you can find on Amazon for about $75 Canadian. This is for the baseline iPad and the iPad Air, and I'm going to discuss whether or not it's worth your money. So starting off with the build quality of the keyboard, it is actually pretty decent. It is made out of this plastic material, but the keyboard itself actually feels pretty good to type on. Very clicky, very good travel time, and it feels really good to type on once you start getting used to the smaller form factor. Now let's talk about the keyboard itself. It is a pretty good keyboard in terms of functionality. It has all the appropriate keys that you would need on a keyboard for an iPad. Unfortunately, it does not have a trackpad, which now the iPad supports, but it does have a nice backlit keyboard. Now let's talk about the case itself. It is actually a very functional and versatile case because not only can you use the case as a keyboard case without a kickstand, but you can also use it in your lap. You can fold it flat down. You can rotate the top portion of the case to use it in a way that you can interact with it through the touchscreen instead of the keyboard. So in terms of functionality and versatility, this is a great keyboard and it can really be used in any situation. Now in terms of battery life, it actually has a really long battery life. Even with the backlit on, you can get about 2 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks actually of usage without having to go ahead and charge it. It does charge via micro USB, but other than that, it has a great battery life. Now, as you can probably tell by now, I really like this keyboard. It has a pretty good build quality. It has a backlit keyboard with multicolored support. The keyboard is great to type on once you get used to it, and it's just a very good functional case for anybody who wants to transform their iPad into something more productive and can really use it for school or for work. So do I recommend this iPad case? I do. It is definitely a great buy if you're somebody who will use the keyboard every single day.